sometimes when you buy things, they would display the price, and then they would expect you to add some tax on top of that. For example, let's say you want to buy this block of concrete to build whatever you want to build. It costs £300 plus VAT. What this means is this. Hang on, bear with me. What it means is this: you've got one whole thing. It costs £300. But then this VAT here is what your government set. So in England, it could be 20%, it could be 17%. It depends on how much your government set this level to be. So what this means is that the company is selling this block of concrete for £300. Well, this amount will go to the company. But the thing is, the government wants to make a bit of money from the sale. So for example, if you have a shop here selling concrete, the government needs money to build lights around here, build roads near your shop, build build drainage near your shop. So these things need to be paid for. So when the shop sells it for £300, the government wants to make a bit of money here to build things that will help the shop or whatever. The government wants to make some money from it. So the government, let's say the government charge the VAT for England, let's say it's 17%. So what it means is at this. So if you sell it for if the block of concrete costs £300, the government wants to make 0.17. This is 17%. So basically, the government wants to make this amount of money. So you have to carry this up here, and then add it on top of this here. So you will in effect pay this amount here, whatever this is. Okay, you will have to pay this amount, not the £300. The £300 goes to the shop here, but and then this amount goes to the government to build roads, drainage, security, whatever. This amount here will go to the government. So let me start again. So when you want to buy this block of concrete, it costs £300 plus VAT. So the amount that you will have to pay is this. Hang on. So 0, 0, 1, 300 here. The government, well, this is your 50% mark here. 17, I would guess around here. So this is the amount that the government wants to make from the sale. So 17% of this will be, hang on, calculator, £0.17 times the whole amount, which is 300, equals this, £51. So if the shop is selling it for £300, the government will get £51. What that means is that you have to move this up here. Okay, so you will have to pay. Hang on, I'm going to move that up here. So you will have to pay this level here. So this is an extra 50. So you will have to pay £351 for this concrete. Even though it's displaying £300, you have to actually pay this amount. Okay, so you could work out 17% of this, which will give you this figure here, and then add it to the top. But there's a better method. 17% is this level here. Well, 1 is here. Well, you can actually do this, 1.17. Okay, so when you move this up here, the decimal side, the right hand side, will be 1.17. So you can just imagine you didn't know this at the moment. You could just get 1.17 times the original, and then it will take you to this stage here. It's a lot quicker. Okay, so hang on. So get a calculator out, clear everything. So your original amount, £300, and then you times 1.17 equals, see, it's the same thing, £351. So rather than having to work out 300 times 0.17, rather than having to work this amount out and then get this amount and add it to the original, just jump to this number here, 1.17, and then from this jump to here. Okay, so let me start again here. Hang on. So if you want to know the total amount that you have to pay for this piece of concrete here, do this. Hang on. 0, 1 here. This is your original here. Okay. So you've got to add VAT on top of this. We are just saying VAT is 17%. Okay. This amount will go to the government. So to work out the total amount that you have to pay, just jump to it. So it's 1.17 here. So all you have to do now is get this times this, and then that will take us to what we want to know, which is this bit here. Okay, yeah, just know that. Well, if you want to increase it by 17%, just jump to this point straight away, and then from this jump to over here. So it would be this clear 300 times 1.17 equals £351. Okay, so learn to jump to this point straight away rather than having to work out 17% of this is £51, and then get the 51 added to the original. It takes too long. So just jump to this bit here, and then from get this times this, and then jump to here. Okay.